Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury motorhomes with the all-new 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a powerhouse designed for comfort, adventure, and ultimate road presence. Let's explore what makes this machine a game-changer. Starting with design, the Kenworth T2000 blends rugged truck aesthetics with a sleek motorhome layout. The massive chrome grille, LED headlamps, and aerodynamic bodywork give it a bold and modern look. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth chassis, this motorhome is engineered to handle long-haul trips while maintaining stability and durability. Under the hood, the 2025 T2000 is powered by a 15.0L Packard MX15 turbo diesel engine, delivering an impressive 625 horsepower and 2,050 lb-ft of torques. Paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, this beast offers smooth shifting, better fuel efficiency, and enough power to tow trailers, boats, or even a small car effortlessly. Moving to the interior, luxury meets functionality. The spacious living area features high-end materials, including leather seating, hardwood floors, and ambient LED lighting. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system for maximum safety and convenience. The kitchen is fully equipped with a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and quartz countertops. The dining space can transform into an additional sleeping area, making this motorhome perfect for families or long-haul travelers. At the rear, the master bedroom offers a king-size bed, a smart TV, and a walk-in closet. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full-size shower, a vanity with a mirror, and a porcelain toilet, giving you the comfort of home while on the road. On the technology front, the T2000 comes with smart home automation, allowing you to control climate, lighting, and security from your smartphone. A solar power system and lithium-ion battery pack ensure off-grid capability, while a hydraulic leveling system makes setup at campsites effortless. Safety is a priority, with features like lane departure warning, collision mitigation, and adaptive braking. With its air suspension system, this motorhome delivers a smooth and stable ride, no matter the terrain. So, is the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome the ultimate luxury RV for road warriors? With power, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, it's built for those who want the best of both worlds. Truck-grade durability with home-like luxury. That's it for today's review. Let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more engine explorations. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer, and we'll see you next time.